today I'm going to show you how to crochet the triple or treble crochet. It does go by two different names. This is the last video in the crochet basics series, as this is really the last common crochet basic stitch. So once you learn how to crochet the triple crochet, you will know how to crochet all of the crochet basic stitches, and you can use all of them in combinations together to create some really pretty fabrics and textures and stitch combinations. So let's get into the tutorial. Start by making a slip knot as I've done here, and then chain your desired number of chains. Okay, so I have chained a good amount, so now I'm going to chain 3 more, and these do not count as stitches. They act as that turning chain at the beginning of each row. So in that 4th chain from your hook is where you're going to work the stitch. So to start the triple or treble, whatever you want to call it, I typically call it a triple crochet. So to start, yarn over twice like this, and then in that 4th chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through. You should have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, and then you should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. So that is how you crochet triple crochet. So again, yarn over twice in that next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. You should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And you're going to continue repeating this in every stitch until you have reached the end of the row. Okay, so I just finished row 1. This is what it should look like. As you can see, this creates really tall stitches. This is really great if you want a really quick project that creates a really breezy fabric. So to begin, row 2, chain 3, and then turn. And in that first stitch, you're going to work 1 triple crochet, so you're doing the yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So again, you're just going to repeat working 1 triple crochet into every stitch. I just finished row 2, so I then chain 3 and then turn, and you're going to continue repeating row 2 So 1 triple crochet in every stitch until you have reached your desired length. I just finished working several more rows, and this is what it looks like after working some more rows. As you can see, again, the stitches are quite tall, so it does create a very loose and lightweight, breezy fabric. This is a really great stitch to use for summer garments because it is so airy, and it also works up really quickly, as you can see of how tall the stitches are. So I hope you liked this tutorial and also this entire Crochet Basics series. I will have the entire playlist linked below with all the other Crochet Basic videos. And if you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss any more crochet videos and content.